Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can access your bookmarks and fix your bookmarks inside of Google Chrome. So as you can see here, this is a random page and I cannot see here my bookmarks tab, okay? I cannot access this through here, okay? So the first thing we need to do is actually go to this three dots here, and we're just going to click on this. It's customize and control Chrome. And now we're just going to go to bookmarks and list. And here we have to click on show bookmarks bar, okay? And now, as you can see here, we have our bookmarks bar and we can just click on it and all of our bookmarks are gonna appear. Now, there's also, in case that we just wanna disable it for some reason now, what we can also do is we can just open a new tab and inside of Google homepage, the bookmarks are also gonna be present there always, okay, by default. So we don't have to do anything there. Okay, so we can just click here and there you go. So that's it. Thank you very much.